Hey guys, this is Unphazed, and we are back with this circuit we built on a couple of videos, which is the impulse generator circuit from a switch. Turn it on, you get an impulse running around the fast circuit to the end of time. However, even if you turn it off, it carries on running. Not that helpful. Okay. Now, we have two options in how to do this, how to break it, in terms of function. So if we want that piston to go up and down a couple of times, then we can create an automated circuit that allows it to go up and down twice. If we want that piston to go up and down till the end of time until we turn it off, then we can easily create a circuit where we turn it off. It all lies in the basis of the comparator as per usual. If you've watched both videos on how to create the impulse and then this one automatically, you'll notice I have made a slight change. And all that is to move this input over one further. And that is just so when we put the comparator in, there's no crosstalk, okay? There's no functional change there at all. So we put a comparator in there, and then create a strip. Yes, I am using bedrock. I tend to use in videos stuff you can't normally use, like diamond blocks and bedrock, just because, you know, it's an opportunity. So again, if we want that comparator shut off, we need a repeater next to it, okay? That's imperative. Now, the key to this loop, to this branch, which this branch decides the number of times that piston goes up and down. Or in imagining it's, you know, redstone lamps you're powering and you want to have a nice pattern on your roof run round. If you want it to run round just a couple of times, then what you need to do is calculate how long this is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you need to make this twice the length, which is obvious, isn't it? Okie doke. So if that's 5, this needs to be 10. So that's 4, 4, 10, because there's 2 at the end, okay? 4, 4, there we go. So when I turn this on, we should get 2 impulses. And there it is, 2 impulses. Simple, isn't it? Because what happens is, you have, it goes round once, it goes round twice, and then it can't go any further because this current's got here and locked it off. Your option, obviously, to have it go to the end of time is to take this to turn that off. Also, the beauty of this, when you turn it off, the whole circuit turns off. Your option, obviously, is if you want it to run, you know, if it's lights or something, and then you go, actually, no, I want to turn it off, that'll stop it, okay? So that is your option. But if you want something to fire just a couple of times, then you put this arm has to be the number of times longer than the circuit you want it to fire. So if you want this to fire 3 times, we need, it's a 5 long, so we need a 15, don't we? So you can put that up to 4, 4, 4, which is 12. We put one more repeater in here and put it on 3. Now that should go up and down 3 times. 1, 2, oh, messed it up, sorry, my calculations are the problem here. There we go. 3. Sorry, I forgot to add an account for the function, something I always warn you about. So that is it. It has to be, this has to be the same, if not longer, than the whole of that circuit. And that's how you do it. Simple as. The one thing you should bear in mind is that a circuit takes 0.1 to fire, okay? So what happened when I first put this circuit in, so this arm is 2, if we take this as n here, it's 2n plus 1. What happened was when I first did it, it was just 2n, and I got lucky that it happened that the impulse had gone round and through before this locked it off. Because what would have happened in any other circuit is it would have got here and locked it off before the second impulse, okay? So I just happened to get lucky, and that's something to bear in mind, and I forgot to tell you about this. So, to review one more time. This is the pulse generator. To generate any pulse, this branch here must be 0.2 of a second, so 2 repeaters worth longer than this arm here before it reaches the comparator, okay? To generate a pulse, this must be shorter than the length of the circuit, okay? And to decide how many pulses go through, this must be 2 times plus 0.1 the length of this circuit. Okie doke? And then you get 1, 2, 3. And that's your circuit. So you can make that flash as many times as you want. Okie doke, that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video. This is Unphazed signing out.